Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Aya. In today's video, I'll be sharing 3 ways to use the Waffle Flower Postage Die. I am using the A7 postage die and stencil. I choose the A7 size because it gives me more space to stamp my images instead of using their coordinating stencils. Be sure to stick around until the end because I will be sharing 3 bonus cards made with these postage shaped dies. To start, I place my postage panel die cut and stencil on the waffle flower sticky mat. I then gathered a bunch of waffle flower stamps with the small images that could fit inside the stencil windows. You can use any stamp brand here like Long Fawn or Mama Elephant. I selected cute images and stamped them with Memento black ink. I color the images using Copic markers, and for the background, I use Copic markers as well. However, for the bottom image, I decided to use Tim Holtz Distress Glaze. I masked the image with the glaze using my finger, then cover it with Distress Oxide ink. I cleaned off the excess glaze and ink with a paper towel. For the final touch, I wanted to stamp some postage stamp, but since I couldn't find them, I just stamped butterfly instead. And voila, a sheet full of cute postage images. I cut them out with a paper trimmer, though in hindsight, I probably should have used scissors instead. The second idea for using postage die is to color the background with different ink colors and then stamp images that do not need to be colored. I'm not sure what you call it, maybe block images? Let me know in the comments. I love this method because it's that easiest. There's no need for coloring, just use your favorite inks. The third way is to use design stencil and color the background. However, I wasn't too happy with my choice of color and stencil design. I almost didn't share this part because I really didn't like the final look, but then I thought, hey, this is just crafting, nothing too serious here. I'm not going to throw it, away just because I don't like it. I enjoyed really the process, and that's what matters. Now it's time to use all these postage die cuts. So I decided to create an art journal page. I started with black gouache, but then I switched to a Faber or Fabric Castell stick, which was a game changer. I really like the intensity of the paint. I placed my postage cuts in a random pattern and voila, I really like how it turned out. I'm thinking of using vintage images and colors to create another page. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Finally, here are the bonus cards. I used the postage shape die cuts and I stamped Santuro images. I colored them with colored pencils and I used black marker for the background and gold marker for the edges. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Peace.